G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I had the Hillman re-warranted, so it's had another 6 monthly inspection, and good news, it passed. The rear brakes, which were causing issues on the last warrant, although it passed, they were imbalanced, and ended up rebuilding the wheel cylinders. So they are completely balanced. The mechanic was really surprised how well balanced they are. So that's a really good thing. I don't have to worry about those anymore, apart from routine maintenance and changing the brake fluid. This video is really more about the way the car is running at the moment. So the issue with it is that ever since I've had it, it feels like it's missing at higher speed. Ever so slightly, like it's just not running completely smooth. I have been doing like fine adjustments to the fine timing adjuster there, but it hasn't really made any difference. I was having a chat with the mechanic today about it, and he said just to go over the basics again, like make sure you don't have any breaks in your HT leads, and I've done that before. I've checked them with the multimeter and they're all fine. I replaced the spark plugs probably about 6 months ago, but I'll recheck the gap on those. Interestingly, this car has a Pertronix electronic ignition unit in it. Distributor is a Lucas 25D distributor. It does have a vacuum hose on it for the vacuum advance, and that seems to be fine. The other thing I was going to point out is this coil here is got a date code on it from 1979 and was installed in 1980, and I don't know what the resistance is on it. It was recommended that I upgrade the coil just as a matter of course. I understand that they do break down over time. The coil does get warm after use, but it doesn't get hot. I had a quick look inside the distributor cap, and I will show you, but there is corrosion on the terminals, so I'm wondering if that is a cause for it as well. We'll change it, replace the rotor arm, and we'll take it for a run and we'll see how it goes, and then if it's still playing up, I think we might just go ahead and replace this and get a new coil for it. So this is the number 4 spark plug, and that's looking, that looks okay to me. Looks like it's burning okay. It's the number 3 spark plug. Again, that's looking okay. Pop that one back in. Number 2, again, that's nice and grey. It looks like it's burning fine. So that one's burning alright as well, though they're all nice and grey. Okay, well, we've got the new rotor arm on. Interestingly, this one was, when it sat down in the slot, there's quite a bit of play in there, and it came off and on quite easily. Maybe it wasn't the right rotor arm. Anyway, we've got this one on now, and that's a really snug fit. So we'll see how that goes, and we've got the new distributor cap here, so we'll pop that on, and I'll do that off camera because it's a bit tricky. Right, well, I actually think I've found the problem. On closer inspection of this cap, and then I'll show you the ignition unit. These terminals are absolutely destroyed. Look how much metal's been taken out of that one and of that one. So there's something not right going on. That one's okay, and that one's okay. And I noticed quite a bit of metal inside the distributor under the cap. Let me show you what's going on. That red wire going onto that ignition unit. Let's see if I can get you in here. You may not be able to see it, but it's actually it's perished, and I can see wiring underneath that, and the negative wire is wearing as well. So it must be arcing, and that's why it's playing up. So we need to get a new ignition unit. Yeah, there was quite a bit of metal, like flakes, little specks of metal sitting in here. It's obviously come off those terminals. I don't know, do they just wear over time? I'm not too sure. So we'll go on and we'll order another one of those and get that installed, and might upgrade the coil as well while we're at it. Alright guys, well there we have it. It's obviously been a problem for quite a while, so we'll get that ignition unit ordered in, and we'll do the next video on that, and then we'll take it out for a run and see how we get on. Hopefully the problem's resolved. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the like and share buttons, and if you want to see more videos of my Hillman Superminx, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.